What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today we're on part 3 of the welcome package that Microsoft provides you on their site. This is to help kind of introduce you to Excel if you're not familiar. I do have my own intro videos, but I haven't walked through this before, so I figured this might be a good way to introduce it to you as well. So last time we went over fill, split, and transpose. And now today we're doing sort and filter, and we're going to see how many tabs we can get through. So sorting and filtering with ease. Let's say you want the departments in alphabetical order. Click in the department column and then click Home, Sort, Filter, Sort A to Z. Click Home. I'm used to doing my shortcuts. Yep, okay. Sort and Filter, Sort A to Z. Yep, so that took care of that. Another shortcut I like to do, and I go over this in my other videos for getting to sort, is if you do Alt, and you see how all these letters show up here, I go A for data, and then sort's actually here as well, so SS. And you see this window actually will pop up for you. So that's another way to do it if you need to remember. It's also under the data tab as well as the home tab up here. So part 2, sort December's amounts from largest to smallest. Click any cell in the December column and then click Home, Sort and Filter, sort largest to smallest. December, sort and filter, sort largest to smallest. There you go, that whole thing updates. Now you'll filter the data so that only the bakery row appears. Control A to select all the cells, and then click Home, Sort, and Filter, and then hit Filter. So notice these little drop-down boxes here that indicate that the table you're on has a filter associated with it. So as this description just went, so filter buttons appear on the top row. On the department cell, click the Filter button, and then click to clear the select all checkbox. Alright, so I'll deselect everything, but we always need something selected. And there's a little cutoff here, but I think it says just the bakery. So just click bakery, press OK. So this is really good for kind of helping you zone in on something specific within a table. So click OK and bakery. Yep, okay. So now clear the filter by clicking the filter button. And you can clear the filter or you can select all. So we'll just do what they say. Extra credit. When you're done with step 5, try sorting alphabetically by 2 columns. Okay, so that would be kind of going through what I said. So you can sort by, what do they want, by department, and then if I add a level, that's where the then by comes from. And then by category. Yep, so that's super useful. Next step. Tables. Table gives you a special feature and convenience here, so to create one. Click inside the data to the right, and then click Insert, Table. Press OK. Now that you have a table, which is a collection of cells that has special features, oh, sorry. I read that wrong. Now you have a table, which is a collection of cells that has special features. So a table gives you banded rows for easier reading. You can actually, since this is a table now, you can actually, this design tab appeared, and you can actually change around the way it looks with some custom features here. You can easily create new rows. In the empty cell under Meat, type some text and then press Enter. Type some text. I am a wise guy. And look at that. That already includes it because it connected to it. You can create columns, so same concept there. So drag it, what was it? Resize the handle. Oops. Yep, so you see that little icon there? That's what allowed me to drag that further. And it actually went ahead and auto-filled the dates or the months. Oh, that was interesting. Okay, that's all I have for today. We'll continue into the next tab for the next video. Thanks so much for watching.